Hello. That was really okay. Hello guys, I am back with another video. Thank you so much for 2.5k subs. I appreciate it so much. Thank you all of you guys. I honestly blows my mind. But today's video, as you read by the title, it's a clean with me. And if you do know me, you know, well, maybe you don't know actually, but I'm a little bit of a messy person, but it's all going to change today. We are going to, my room is quite big actually, so that's why I can even do that. My arms look really weird. Anyways, actually, oh my god, maybe I need some light in there, that's what's missing. And there was light. But yeah, I'm gonna show you like some before pictures. I put the air conditioner on. It is hot, so it's gonna get sweaty, so I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna put my hair up. I literally just took a shower yesterday though, but like I don't know what happened. Wait. How's it, do you know those people who just put it up and it just looks cute? Like how? Like what? I can't do this. Okay, that's it. No more clean with me video because I can't look cute. Maybe I should have worn like fake lashes so I look decent at least. But okay, we're going with that. Okay, so, and I know I'm wearing like sweats and shit, but I've got the air conditioning on and like I had a skirt on and I felt like, why am I speaking without any head? If I had my skirt on or shorts on, like I feel like it's a bit, because my booty's out and shit, so I put on these because it's like, I don't know. That's like a really long intro, but I'll show you my room state. Dude, I should really do like a room tour shit. So that is my little, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a beam. It's really soft, really cozy. Actually, I'm not even doing a room tour. Why am I saying this part actually? Wait, hold on. This is the clean part, except this like, oh my god, that's my belt. But I just realised what it looks like, a willy belt. Honestly, I just threw it. It ended up in that shape. I did not do that. I'm a very mature person. That needs to be cleaned up a bit. That's my desk area. This is where we get into the like actually this looks awful, but it's not the worst I've had it. Like before you'd have to like literally like do little like, I don't know, like a maze type thing. So yeah, that is what we need to clean up today. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I feel like bed is going to be like the first thing that needs to be done, because I feel like when you have a clean bed, it makes everything better. Okay, don't mind the bar strap. I'm going to be doing my bed first, so let's see what we find. Purse, old purse. Oh my god, my booty looks flat. Ah. Hats. We'll deal with this later. I've literally got flip-flops in my bed, okay? Glasses. I feel like this, you can't hear me because of the stupid air conditioner. Okay, I've turned it off now. Hopefully you can hear me better. I've got my glasses. Might actually need those instead of in the bed to see. I've got an old phone. See, this is the problem. When I clean my room, I get distracted, and yeah. I mean, this is not the first occurrence that this has happened, believe me, but yeah, let's get back to cleaning the bed. I feel like I'm tucking myself into bed right now. I don't know if you know the camera can hear this, but time to go to bed. That was too much work. I need a nap. JK, JK, JK. We've been waiting too long to get into this club. Like, oh what? Oh. There we go. Stage 1. Other side, other side. Okay, other side, other side. Wow, I'm sweating. That was hard work. I feel like a new woman now. You know, just have a new bed and all that sort. Anyways, the next step is, I don't know what the next step is. Never cleaned my room before. Oh my god, I think I'm going insane. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna, I'll probably get this sorted. So, do I change like the views or something? Okay, now that we've got a better view, actually I might lower it down because loads of the shit, I mean the stuff is down here. So, I've got, do you know what the thing is? I do get everything really tidy. Oh, I look bored. I do get everything really tidy, and then somehow, I don't know, like, it just gets messy and I really don't know how. I don't know how actually. It's because I get home from work and then I'm like, wow, the floor is such a good place to put everything, and then it just, yeah. I've got loads of these makeup brushes on the floor. I don't know if you can see it. I try to be organised. I've got this little like thing. It spins. It's really cool. But yeah, I put that in there. So I try to be organised. Look. That goes in the bin. Oh, I look really, oh my god, I look like I've got a food baby. It's coming along strongly, guys. It's coming along strongly. And bring you back up to not look at the food baby. So I look awful still. Okay.
It never fades away. It's staying. You're just like broken glass on my skin.
Beauty blender can go right here. Maybe I should bring you closer to see what is actually happening in. So I've got cute pictures of me and my best friend Katie. I love you, shout out. I'm gonna put that right there. Dirty. That is not my face, by the way. That is eyebrows and mascara. Just saying. Just putting that out there. Scissors need to be kept closed and in here. Wow, it just stopped recording because I accidentally flicked the screen. Do you know what I just forgot? I forgot to put my blanket back on my bed. Oh my god. I'm hot. So, I'm gonna fold these bad boys up. Okay, I'm gonna like speak like this because or else you can't see me, so it's just like a head, like a mouth speaking, and I feel like that's a bit weird, but you have to also see the mess, so it's hard to get a good angle in here. So I am moving to back to England August, so I have to get rid of everything in my room, but I'm cleaning it first because heck yeah, why not? Do you know what? This bra makes me look like I have big boobs, but it's just really too big for me, that's all. But it's Victoria's Secret, so it's soft, so I just wear it anyway. See how I have to like tread carefully. Folding. Do you know what? I used to work at Abercrombie & Fitch and all we did was fold, so I should be like a professional folder, but it just ends up on the floor, so so this stuff actually is stuff that I'm donating away because I can't be able to sell it, even though some of the stuff I paid like 50, 70 like dollars or pounds or whatever. It's just too much effort to like sell everything, so I'm just gonna give it away to like Goodwill or something. So oh my god. Do you know what the thing with me is? I feel like everything's special to me, especially with, I can't deal with me being bald. I feel like everything's special to me, so I find it really hard to get rid of things. So the good thing is, because I moved so much, like I literally moved here in September, I only took was in my suitcase, and then my mum had like all the furniture and stuff ready. I'm hot. So I'm bringing 2 suitcases, 1 carry-on and then a backpack with me when I go back to England, and so I have to fit everything in the bag or else it's going bye-bye. Okay guys, I'm sorry for like the nudity, I'm so sorry, but it's just way too hot to be wearing joggers and I'm nearly done, so please forgive. Okay, we're now at my desk area. I look like a hunchback, okay? But this part actually isn't that bad. So I've got my computer. Oh my god, I should show you. Look at my desk. It's really cute. It has like the, I don't know if you can see this shit. It has like the countries. It's clear, it's cute, yeah. But anyways, job done. This is gonna be like the last thing I do because yeah, it's mainly it, which is thumbs up for me, because then I can drink some water, stay hydrated because I am melting. So yeah, let's do this. Oh my god, my bomb's gonna be out. And we are done, guys. We are done. I'm well happy. Okay. Wow. Oh, wait. Ugh. Wow, guys. Yay. Clean, clean, clean. Still looks messy, probably to other people, but for me, this is clean. Clean. Shoes. Clean. That is clean, but it's just wired, honestly. My mirror, wow. My bathroom. Going down this way. Clean. Fireplace, yeah. So thank you guys for sticking with me while I'm cleaning my room. I had fun doing it actually. It gave me a bit of a sweat and a workout. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm going to, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah. Please subscribe if you're new, and I hope to see you next time. Comment some video ideas that I can do, and yeah, goodbye. I love you guys, and peace.